How to use the full screen mode on the Phemex application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Full screen mode in Phemex gives you a larger view of your trading chart, making it easier to analyze price movements, add indicators, and place trades with fewer distractions. So in order to do that, first of all, launch the Phemex app open or visit the Phemex website and sign into your account. Once you're inside logged in, go ahead and tap on the Market tab from the bottom of the screen and choose a trading pair you want to view and open the chart for. Once you're inside the chart page, in order to get to the full screen mode, simply go to the top right and look inside this section over here and click on this little full screen icon. And this will give you a landscape view for your chart, giving you more space for analysis. While in full screen mode, you can continue using chart tools, indicators, drawing tools, and time frame controls as usual. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.